Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fresh Plate. Today we are diving one of my favorite comfort food, delicious hearty red sauce pasta. It's simple, flavorful and perfect for any occasion. Let's start by boiling pasta. Add some salt and oil to a pot of boiling water. Boil water and add pasta until it firms. It takes around 8 to 10 minutes. Once it's ready, drain water and save a little pasta water for later. Now, onto the heart of this dish, the red sauce. Heat olive oil in a pan, add sauteed chopped garlic and green chili until it's golden and fragrant. Add finely chopped onions and cook until they are soft and translucent. This gives the sauce delicious sweet base. Stir, stir, stir. Now it's time for the star ingredient, the tomato paste. Add tomato paste along with the heavy cream and pasta water and give a good mix until sauce bubble up. Season the sauce with salt, chili flakes, and paprika powder. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens and all those flavors come together. Oh my god, this creamy sauce is everything you need. Now, add your cooked pasta to the sauce and toss everything together. If the sauce is a little thick, add a splash of water to loosen it up. Look at how beautifully the pasta is cooked. That rich, vibrant sauce. This is what comfort food looks like. And there you have it, a simple, delicious red sauce pasta that perfect for any day of the week. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comment what your favorite pasta dish is. For the final touches, sprinkle some fresh basil and parmesan cheese on top. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share and hit notification bell. This is so good.